Guys, welcome back to another episode on Phantom. As you see here behind me, I have got the engine back somewhere here, yeah, right there. So I will be showing you that shortly, but in the meantime I am attacking this head right now, fitting the springs and retainers from Pt2. So I've got this neat little tool here, just presses down on the valve spring and yeah, you can do it in situ so the valve don't fall out or nothing like that. So yeah, I'm going to be changing them, and I'm also going to be changing the stem seals. So I've got these as well while it's all out. They are brand new ones in there, but obviously I'd rather just use the Pt2 ones as they are out, and might as well just do it. So yeah, I'm going to get cracking on with this, and then yeah, I'm going to walk you around the engine, man. You ain't going to want to miss this, guys. Believe. Just been getting in like the flow of this, because you know this is a tedious job. So yeah, we are moving. So as you see what I've done here, the tool just bolts into the factory holes on the B16 head where the cam caps would sit. And what I've done, I'll move this light one sec, guys. So put the spring down first. It's hard to see in there. So yeah, I put the spring down first and the retainer. Then what I've done is put the, because I tried to do it the other way, where like the cheat way, putting the actual keepers in the retainer itself and then put it down, but it didn't work like that. The angle of this tool, the way it goes down, kind of like that, so I have to do it like this. But yeah, sorry guys, it's hard to see in there, but you can kind of see that I've just put the keepers on the valve itself, so they've locked on there. And then when I back this off, hold on. When I back this off now, I'm trying to make it focus, it should lock in. I've just been getting in the flow of it now, so it should come up. Yes sir. So as you see, yeah, get this out of here for you guys, I'll show you. So as you can see in there, she's locked in, it ain't coming out. So yeah, got to do this for all 16. Well, I've done, this is my 5th one now, so yeah, getting in the flow of it. So yeah man, stay tuned. So yes guys, I'm just about finished up with this head. Sorry about the glitchy camera, don't know what's going on here, but yeah, all the springs and retainers are installed, and I've also installed the new valve stem seals from Pt2, so it's all in there. And I did say I was going to show you guys the block, so here it is, man. Here she is. So literally right now I'm about to install the ARP head studs, and yeah, get this puppy together. Look at it guys, like look at it. Oh, this is going to make some stink. Damn. For the non-believers, just wait on this, we're about to build a killer. So here guys, just got the head on. I know it looks very different as the block has been painted. I will do the head while it's on here. I'll just tape up the block and then cover up these as they are covered, but I'll just tape them up, and yeah, it should be matching the block, because you can really see the difference. Even though this head is really clean, it might not seem so in the video, but this head is extremely clean. But obviously no match for the silver paint. But anyway, got the ARP head studs all installed. She's, as you see, got a lot of assembly lube in them bitches. So yeah man, just gonna torque these down now. As you see on the sheet here, it's 3 steps up to 80 foot-pounds. So I normally do 20, 60 ish and then to 80. But yeah man, I'm gonna get these torqued down now, so stay tuned. I haven't actually got anyone to record for me guys, so you're just gonna have to watch this in steps, so I apologize. But yeah, let's get it on. So yes guys, head's all torqued down, and yeah, I just thought I'd try the turbo kit. Yes, look at this guys, bro. So he's actually running the GTX 3582R from Pulsar. If you need these, give me a shout, we get them, good price. So I was actually going to run this on Pearl, but I've had a little change of heart, so I said, you know what, might as well run it on yours. But yeah man, I'm just checking for like clearance and stuff like that. But yeah, we're looking all good so far. I mean, the only thing that's really concerning me right now is the return, but that shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to order up a fitting anyway, and then we can see where we stand with it. I was looking at this collector, and the collector is a bit short if you look to like the actual turbo flange. So what I might do is I might get another wastegate added here, so like a 90 coming off of here, then the wastegate could sit like here somewhere, and then obviously both of the screamers to the floor. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, innit? You know, we're just mocking stuff up at the moment, so we'll see how it goes, and then we can go from there. But yeah, I'm real happy with this right now, guys, so hopefully you stay tuned, because you ain't gonna want to miss this. Look at it. So yes, guys, how's it going? It's just a little update on Phantom, like the build. So as you can see, man, got the block all assembled, so I've just got to put the cams in and the caps and stuff like that. Excuse the alarm in the background, guys, I'm really sorry. So right now, well, the last week I've been hunting for this this dowel pin and the O-ring. So yeah, finally sorted that out. Big thanks to Delford at Pt2 Racing. So I've just come back today and got the Skunk 2 cams all unboxed, and got the AEM cam gears all on them. Torqued them up. These are 36 Newton meters. So yeah, we're there. So what I'm going to do now is just pour some assembly lube on the actual rocker arms themselves, lay the cams in, and then I'll just put some along the top as well, so I'll make sure the caps are all lubricated. And then yeah, I'm going to get it on, get them torqued down, and then yeah, we'll be good to go. Sonny's going to come down tomorrow. He's got some parts, so I'll be showing you obviously what he's got when he does come down. But right now, I think we actually do have everything to get this baby in. So I'm hoping so anyway. EK47, she's due some upgrades. She's got some serious boost creep issues that I need to address. So that's getting sorted in the next couple of weeks as well, because we're going to try and make the track very soon. So make sure you stay tuned. But yeah, let's talk more action there. Let's just get these cams in. Let's keep it moving. So this is the assembly lube I use. It's the Torco, the good shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just gonna get all up in here. It'll come out. Just pour a nice little layer on each, you know. Okay, and same for this side. This stuff's very like proper syrupy. Well, yeah, man. Just want to make sure, obviously, for first start up, and if it does have to sit for a while, it'll be good. So yeah, that's how we flowing, baby. Yo, my people, how you doing? How you doing? So this is just another little update on Sonny's build, the Phantom. So I've got the head on, got everything torqued down, all the caps, cams are in and everything, and I ran into a little problem, which I thought was going to be a problem initially, and yeah, it's caused like a major ball ache right now. So as you can see, everything's like basically all together, but got to strip everything back down, well, everything in the head, because these engines, these B16A heads, the LMAs, which is the lost motion assemblies, the middle rocker sits on them and they have like a spring effect. They're actually not doing nothing. So what I'm going to do is turn around the camera and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. But yeah, it's not good so far. You'll see what I'm talking about. So alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about right now. So each and every one of these rockers, you've got a middle one. This is where the VTEC works on. You see? Right, there's no load on these, yeah? So as you can see, if I push this one down, hold on. See, it pushes down and springs back up. That's what you want. See these? Stuck down. Look. So what I reckon, and if you look in there, you can actually see the LMA, the lost motion assembly spring underneath. What I reckon has happened is they've collapsed. They're not actually doing anything. And I've read up with the Skunk 2 Pro 1 cams, you actually have to upgrade the LMAs to the Skunk 2 ones. So luckily, we got a set. So I'm going to be stripping down this right now, and I'm going to get these installed. Bit of a ball ache, I'm not going to lie, but So it goes. So as you know, I did fit the Supertech springs and retainers. They're all in there. But these things do happen, and luckily we did catch it early. So yeah. So yes guys, sorry I haven't actually got anyone to record for me while I'm doing this. So I'm just going to have to show you in steps. So I've just got all the assembly off, the cam assembly. So as you can see, I've got the Skunk 2 Pro ones here, and all the other stuff underneath. And yeah, I'll do it this way. So just take the VTEC solenoid off, wind a 17 in there, and I'll just pull out this shaft here, and I'll do the same for the inlet side as well. And then you'll see these rocker arms start dropping down, and underneath these is your LMAs. So I'm going to tie these together when I take them out so they don't fall apart. Just a little precautionary thing, you don't have to, but I just want to keep things tidy and neat. So yeah man, stay tuned and I will keep you updated. So yeah, I've got the first one out here, as you can see. So I've just got down there. I'm going to be taking all 4 of these out, but yeah, these are the LMAs here, and sure enough, they're dead. They're not doing anything. It's supposed to spring like a little to keep that the middle rocker, you know, moving freely, but it's not doing nothing. So yeah, that's dead. So luckily we got these bad boys to install. So yeah man, stay tuned guys, I'm gonna get this done quick fast. So yes peeps, I just got the first side done, got the exhaust side all completed up. So now I can actually show you a real life comparison. So as you can see straight away from the get-go, see the center rockers just hanging down all droopy. So look, they're literally doing nothing. The LMAs are stuck down as it is. I don't know if you can see in there, but the LMAs are completely stuck down in the head. They're not doing nothing, but look at this. That's what you want guys. That's what you want. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on with the inlet side now, get this all done, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So yes guys, don't know how much I actually showed last night, but I did leave here quite late. Engine is down, twin disc is on, gearbox is on. Big thanks to Matt for giving me a hand, because boy, as you guys know man, trying to get a gearbox on with a twin plate, not the easiest of tasks, especially on your own as well. So big thanks to Matt. We had to literally get it on into like the first plate and then kind of just pull it in with the bolts evenly, like just do the back, front, back. So we just keep doing it like that. But yeah, it is all good. Did line up with the dowels and stuff like that, so yeah, everything's cushy. So right now I'm just giving Sonny my sandwich plate. This was actually for my other B series I'm building, so I just gave this to Sonny. Put 8th MPT to -4 fitting in here. I don't think he's going to be running like any oil pressure gauges or anything like that. We do have the stock oil pressure fitting there, but if we do want to run one in the future, the port is there. It's got 3 to choose from. So yeah, I'm just going to get this on, and I think we're pretty much ready to get this in the car right now. So yeah, I'm going to get the crane in, and I'm going to battle this out right now. So stay tuned guys. Sorry I haven't been able to record as much as I wanted to, but yeah man, it's a bit of a task. Oop, it's a bit of a task trying to work on your own. Do need to tidy up as well. I've just been waiting to get this off the stand, and then I can just start organising all my parts for Pearl. So yeah man, just stay tuned guys, stay tuned. You're going to see the next clip. So yes guys, another big thanks to the boys next door man. Big up Matt and Luke, give me a hand man. But yo, Phantom has an engine at last in the bay. I am so gassed guys. So right now obviously can focus on getting the fuel system done and getting all the other bits situated, but we are literally 70% of the way there right now. So hoping in the next couple of weeks we can get this thing fired up, and yeah man, we'll have a little show for you guys. I'm gassed man, I'm so hyped. It's just lovely to see cars coming together man, you know, after all this hard work like that me and Sonny have put in. Yeah, hyped. I'm gonna get this crane moved and get EK47 back here, and we can start situating some stuff up for this man. So stay tuned.